The key to amassing wealth often lies in the simple yet potent process of auto-suggestion. Focus intensely on your precise desires, and you will encounter signposts guiding the way. Human evolution's forces have been harnessed, allowing individuals to shape their own journey towards becoming better, more accomplished beings. Anything that the human mind can believe, the human mind can achieve. The patterns of success and failure, happiness and unhappiness, mental turmoil and peace that humans experience are self-imposed. Therefore, when you hear the words, anything that the human mind can believe, the human mind can achieve, recognize that the ability to conceptualize achievement and transform it into reality is an extraordinary gift we possess. Anything that the human mind can believe, the human mind can achieve. This revelation is the supreme secret. Wholeheartedly believe in immense wealth, and it shall be yours. Believe deeply in robust physical health, and it shall be yours. Believe earnestly in a tranquil mind, and it shall be yours, accompanied by all the wonders that accompany such serenity. Anything that the human mind can believe, the human mind can achieve. This is the age-old secret, governing present-day triumphs, and will continue to guide humanity even amidst the stars. This is the secret of the ages. But what do we mean by belief? The adage, wishing won't make it so, holds true and serves as a reminder that a wish is not equivalent to belief. Beliefs form in the depths of the mind, becoming an integral part of your being. That is why a genuine, profound belief can induce transformations in glandular secretions, alter the composition of your bloodstream, and bring about physical changes that surpass the limits of medical science's understanding. It is belief, surpassing the instinct of self-preservation, that motivates people to transcend boundaries. Belief establishes religions, upholds nations, and underlies every remarkable achievement. Belief is an inseparable part of you, enabling you to accomplish what you genuinely believe. Moreover, when you hold a profound belief, it permeates every moment of your existence, just as you continue living ceaselessly. The conscious mind offers us thoughts we know. The subconscious mind guides the conscious mind without your awareness, and the conscious mind produces the thoughts that you consciously perceive. Your subconscious mind serves as your hidden boss, issuing instructions to your conscious mind. However, your subconscious is a unique type of boss. It is willing to engage in conferences with you, so to speak, and consider altering or canceling its standing orders, substituting them if necessary. Choose the belief you desire, firmly implant it within your subconscious mind, and thereafter, your subconscious will instruct your conscious mind to live in accordance with that belief. When your belief encompasses the concept of achievement, your subconscious mind will uncover ways and means to facilitate that achievement that would have eluded you with a mere wish. You may speak of good fortune and lucky breaks, but what you truly mean is a sharpening of all your senses toward your desired achievement, a redirection of all your energy away from other matters and toward that specific goal. This entails a surge of strength and resourcefulness, an attunement to the minds of others whose assistance would have otherwise escaped you, and much more. I have mentioned before that at times we may tap into powers beyond our ordinary senses. These powers are not supernatural, but rather natural forces that we are just beginning to comprehend. Deep-seated subconscious belief significantly aids in enlisting the aid of these unseen powers. When I was a child, I once battled typhoid fever, the only severe illness I had ever encountered. Despite weeks of illness without any signs of improvement, I eventually fell into a coma. The two doctors who had attended to me informed my father that there was nothing more they could do, and that my time was running out. In desperation, my father ventured into the forest. There he knelt down and prayed to a higher doctor beyond earthly physicians. His prayer ignited an overwhelming, all-encompassing belief that I would recover. He remained on his knees for an hour or more, and eventually, a profound peace enveloped him, the state of mind in which the mind functions at its most powerful. Suddenly, from out of nowhere, and with absolute certainty, he peacefully knew that I would indeed recover. I do not know where my father's prayer reached, or if it was even heard, nor do I know if the act of prayer itself provided him with the focusing and amplifying agent inherent in deep subconscious belief. However, I do know that upon his return to the house, he found me sitting up, a feat that had been impossible for me just a couple of hours earlier. I was sitting up, crying out for water, and my fever had broken. Hypnotism seems to have the ability to bypass the conscious mind on certain occasions and with certain individuals. However, there exists a better and less risky approach to penetrate the barrier of consciousness and implant instructions in the subconscious, where they can be absorbed and integrated. That approach involves delivering instructions to a person while they are asleep. While the conscious mind sleeps, the subconscious remains awake and receptive. Recent studies indicate that specific stages of sleep offer heightened receptivity compared to others, and I am pleased to witness modern investigations into this technique. I have also come across recent research exploring the techniques of sleep learning, which sheds light on potential challenges individuals may encounter. It is crucial to have a belief that the subconscious mind can and will receive messages while the conscious mind slumbers. A skeptical mind may disregard the messages, while a mind plagued by fear and feelings of inferiority may quickly dismiss them. Many individuals seem to go to great lengths to nullify any benefits they might receive through sleep learning. For the subconsciously recorded message to take root within the myriad cells of the mind, the conscious mind must refrain from injecting negative thoughts during waking hours. This could involve memories of past failures or excessive concern about others' opinions regarding a particular course of action, among other hindrances. Lastly, I made an important discovery. The recorded messages must be reinforced while the individual is in a conscious, fully awake state. They should be memorized. Devoid of any considerations other than the desired achievement, these messages should carry no burdens of imagined limitations. The individual should repetitively recite these wholly positive and focused messages to themselves throughout the day. Through this conditioning and repetition, the conscious mind becomes accustomed to them, enabling communication with the subconscious. In due course, sleep learning may be perfected to unlock remarkable new realms of accomplishment. While it can offer substantial benefits in the present moment, I wish to highlight it as an illustration of how the subconscious can and will accept directives that subsequently guide and potentially induce remarkable transformations within the body. Each of us possesses the means to discover our own greatness. Understanding the supreme secret, that what the human mind can believe, the human mind can achieve, you realize that you possess what it takes, your mind, and you have access to the sole additional ingredient you require, a world abundant with riches and teeming with opportunities. Merge these two elements together, and you will live a prosperous life forever.